Hey everybody, I've got a quick unboxing of the new Allbirds Wool Runner 2. So I got this in the natural black with the red accent, and it's got the white sole. So I'm a big fan of Allbirds. I've had like probably 20 pairs, which is way too many. But I really liked the wool runners when they first came out. So I was very interested to see in what the newer updated version was like. So I kind of dig the red accent here. I think it looks really nice. This is a lot thicker than the original ones. It does feel a little stiffer. They say the toe box is reinforced so you don't get the hole from the big toe anymore, so that's pretty exciting. The bottom tread is not bad. I think it's an improvement. I can't remember, it's been so long since I've had the original ones. They've all pretty much worn out and I had to replace them, but my new favorite shoe is the Tree Flyer 2s. I've been loving these a lot with the super grippy sole, so I've been wearing these. But I'm excited to try these on. I also got it in the natural white. Let's take a look at that. Because I couldn't decide if I would like the white with the blue accent here. Maybe I like the black ones better. But I'm gonna give them a try and see how they fit. I got the size 5.5, so I'm pretty excited that these come in half sizes now. These used to only come in whole. So I'm hoping these will fit, because 5.5 is what I usually get in the Tree Flyers and the Tree Dashers. So I will have a fit review and more photos linked on my blog, so I'll link that below in the description. And that's it for me so far as of right now, but I think I like the black ones more. Let me know what you think. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.